how to connect Cash App to Brigit. So if you want to connect Cash App to Brigit, then first of all, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you've made sure, now you need to simply watch this video till the end. So to connect your Cash App to your Brigit, what you need to do is link the same bank account to your Brigit as well as your Cash App. After you're done, you'll be able to make a transition between these two accounts. So basically, the procedure is when you link a same bank account to both of these applications, that is Cash App as well as your Brigit app, what happens is that whenever you want to add funds from your Cash App to your Brigit, you can directly add the funds to your bank account. After that, from your bank account, you can transfer it to your Brigit app. So basically what you have to do is you need to open up your Cash App first, and after that you need to click on the arrow icon or the home icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, it will be taken to the home page, and basically this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're here on this page, you just need to simply tap on the bank account option. Simply tap on the bank account, and on the next interface it will be asked to enter in the account details such as the account number and all of that information. After done adding a bank account to your Cash App, now you can transfer the funds from your Cash App to your bank account. Now open up your Brigit app or log into your Brigit app, and it's the same procedure. Click on the add bank account option and enter in your credentials. Make sure that you have linked the same bank account. After that, once you've done adding the bank account, now you can directly make the fund transfer, or you can transfer your funds from your bank account to your Brigit app. So that's how, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.